You have the TCL LX, also called the Alcatel TCL, and it's A502DL. You need to factory reset it. Let's get started. All right, with the device powered off, we're going to hold volume up and power. I like to hold volume up just a second before and then power. Volume up, power. We're going to hold for a number of seconds here, and then we're going to let go with power. Keep holding with volume up. Keep holding. And as soon as we see the Android recovery menu, let go with both fingers. Now, there's a couple of things to understand here. We want to wipe data factory reset, so we're going to scroll here, and I'm going to remind you, it is going to wipe everything. It erases all old pics, messages, apps, everything. We're going to hit power for OK. And now the second thing I'm going to remind you of, if you've set up any security, Find My Device, or signed up with your Google or Gmail account or any email account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail or email account to log back into the phone. Let's press power for OK. Oh, what happened? Wipe data factory reset, press power for OK. And then yes, so scroll to yes, and then press power for OK. And now here we're going to wait. It could be a few minutes for you. Sometimes it's taken some people 15 minutes, depending on how much information is on their phone. But when you get that data wipe is complete, it is safe to reboot the system. Hey, if you are ready for a new phone, I use Samsung. Here are my suggestions if you want to upgrade to a Samsung. But if you're going to keep using your TCL and this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.